Imagine you're experiencing a gentle drizzle or a thunderstorm. Wouldn't it be fascinating to express this with appropriate Spanish terms? Let's start with some expressions for light rain. First up, we have calabobos. This term often describes a light rain or drizzle that is just intense enough to warrant some cover. This expression is more commonly heard in Spain. For instance, you might say, no creía que llovía tanto, pero me ha sorprendido un calabobos y mírame, estoy empapada. Next, we have chispeando, a phrase used when it's just a sprinkle. No, eso no es nada, apenas está chispeando un poquito. Lastly, for light rain, we have lloviznando, a term for a light drizzle that is used across various Spanish-speaking countries. Aunque estaba lloviznando, igual salí a trotar. Heavy rain in Spanish. Now, let's move on the heavier side of things. We will start with llueve a cántaros, which is similar to saying it's raining cats and dogs, a phrase commonly used in Spain and Latin American countries to describe heavy rain. Llueve a cántaros y justo hoy se me quedó el paraguas. Next, we've got Está cayendo un palo de agua, which if we translate it word to word will be a stick of water is falling. Sounds pretty strange, right? But when you are in Venezuela and the skies open up, this is the go-to phrase for saying it's a serious downpour. Ni te asomes afuera, que está cayendo un palo de agua que pa' que te cuento. Then we have aguacero, a term used for a heavy rain shower when it's really pouring. Está cayendo un aguacero. Mejor nos vemos mañana. You might also hear the expression, está cayendo un chaparrón. It's pouring down. This is another way to express a heavy downpour. Me dijiste que estaba lloviendo, pero eso es un chaparrón. Another super common expression in Spanish for heavy rain is chubasco. This term instantly brings to mind those short-lived but intense storms that surprise everyone. Estábamos en la playa y de repente se desató un chubasco. And a fun way to talk about when you hear that rumble of thunder is the term tronando, straight from the word truenos, meaning thunder. So when it's tronando, you are looking out for a storm brewing. Wow, está tronando muy fuerte. Parece que vamos a tener una tormenta. No matter the weather, these expressive phrases are bound to impress your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more Spanish tips. Y nos vemos en el próximo video.